Quite a damaging day. Everything from a Loris Labs, which fell about 7.5%, Hindustan Copper 7%, India Cement 7%, Idea nearly 7%, ABFRL, which fell almost 5.5%, Taracom down over 5%, RBL Bank down 5.25%. BHEL down 5%, Balrampur Chini, AB Capital, and then of course, the metals pack sectorally fell the hardest. Nalco down 4.5%, PVR as well saw a fall of over 4%, City Union Bank, NMDC, SAIL, Piramal Enterprises. I can just go on with the list of losers. It's pretty endless.
Four reasons that led to the bloodbath in the stock market today. Indian stock markets fell sharply on Monday. While Nifty fell 261 points, SENSEX fell a whopping 826 points. The bloodshed on Dalal Street wiped off 7.56 lakh crore of investor wealth, with the BSE market cap sliding to 311.33 lakh crore rupees. Here are top 4 reasons why this happened. Number 1. US bond yields. The yield on the benchmark 10-year US Treasury note rose above 5% on Monday, hitting the July 2007 milestone that it briefly attempted to scale last week. Now, this was driven by investors pricing in stronger US growth as well as fiscal slippage. The 10-year yield touched 5.004% on Monday, up around 8 bps on the day. It was briefly bid at a 16-year high of 5.001% on Thursday. It has risen 160 basis points since mid-May. Number 2. Israel-Hamas conflict. Higher risks of a bigger conflict in the Middle East also affected the market sentiment, sending the indices across Asia and Europe down. On Saturday, Israel announced its intention to step up its attack on the Gaza Strip in the preparation for the next stage of its war on Hamas. Israel's military spokesman has urged residents of Gaza City to head south in order to ensure their safety. Number 3. Bloodbath in global markets. Stocks fell after 10-year Treasury yield went above 5%, fueling concerns that increasing borrowing costs will erode economic growth. Europe's Stoxx 600 index sank 0.8%, reaching the lowest intraday level since March. S&P 500 equity futures fell 0.6%. And lastly, on number 4, we have increase in crude oil prices as the fourth reason. Even though oil prices slipped on Monday, they continue to remain above the $90 mark. Brent crude futures fell 24 cents to $91.92 a barrel. US WTI crude futures were down 36 cents at $87.72 a barrel. Well, that is all for today. Stay tuned to ET Markets for more.